For this video, we will assemble the cylinder head of the generator engine. Prior on installing the valves, make sure to wipe all the dirt on the surfaces of valve seats and valve. Note: be careful not to mix the valves. There are designated marks for the valve and seat. Exhaust and intake valves are different from each other. Upright the cylinder head carefully after installing all valves. Note: make sure all the parts are free from dirt and debris. It's time to install the spring and valve rotator. Before installing the valve cotter, valve spring must be pressed down using a special tools. Note: if it is hard to insert the valve cotter, press the spring a little bit more. Or lightly jolt the special tool with a plastic hammer. After successfully install the valve cotter, release the spring by loosening the special tool slowly and monitor the condition of the cotter. And we are done. It's time to check the function of the valve rotator by tapping the valve spindle by plastic hammer.